14,000. I'm like, 14,000. Hey, Hama, what's this one talking about? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a vlog. I'm out to my sister. We are running errands together. Say hi to her. Hello. So we are running errands together, and I'll take you guys along with us. Please, if this is your first time here, kindly click the subscribe button for more beautiful videos like this, and I will see you guys later.
The next day.
So guys, today we'll be going to slots. We need to pick up my mom's phone, and then I think from there, where are we going again? I'm not very sure, but I'm not sure if I'll be filming in there, but if I'll be allowed to film, that's fine. I'll show you guys what we'll be doing there. Now, see ya. So guys, we are asked to wait for a little while. I think they need to charge the phone or something, and then afterwards we'll just check to see if everything is working properly before going home. Do you want to see my errand parts now? I don't mind that. So we'll soon leave here, and I'll give you guys updates later.
So how come they still have and all of that? I thought everyone was just white. What's happening with this tomato? I think so.
They don't, I know. I doubt it. Or did that
Same contract.
same contract? Same shipment.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, good evening. So I couldn't finish up my vlog yesterday. What happened, sir? Okay, we had to run other errands that I even forgot my phone somewhere safe. So, and I wanted to share my experience with slot with you guys. If you don't know slot is like I think it's a Nigerian maybe a collective brand or something. I don't really know, but I know they sell phone. You can buy your brand new phone there, and then they exchange, they swap, and all of that. Do you get? Okay, now we bought my mom's phone sometimes in October last year. I did get, we bought our phone since then, and it got so good since we got the phone. It's a Techno brand, I think Techno Spark 4 or something. As at then, it was still a new phone when we bought it, like a new edition or version or something. So when we got it, nothing was wrong with the phone, to be honest. And then it was just last week or something, the phone started acting up, like it was not coming on or if it comes on, it will go off immediately, like almost immediately, right there and then. Okay. And then my mom was even thinking, okay, maybe they would swap the phone for us, they would change it to a new one, we'll have to add money and change or something like that. And okay, no problem, just you guys should just take it there. And since we have the receipt with us, and the carton, everything is still there, like still intact. My mom knows how to keep stuff very well. Okay, then we took the phone there. Lo and behold, when we got there, they asked us, so what was wrong with it? We said we don't know. If you know what's wrong with the phone, we'll not come here. Abby. Okay, then we got there, and the guy collected the phone from us. It was like it's technical problem, blah 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 blah. Like, guy, go school now. Which one is the story you're giving me? Okay, yes, we know it is technical. If it's not technical, we can just fix it at home by ourselves. But it is technical, so you have to do it yourself. Okay, then he checked the phone and it was like, and the screen is broken. The screen is as broken as it was, just a small a very small piece that, to be honest, I didn't even really notice it until the guy showed us. Okay, and no wala now. So what do we do now? The screen is broken, no problem, we admit that. It was a we have to change, we have to pay them to change the screen. Well, okay, no wala, how much is the screen? He said they will have to contact their head office or something like that. How much is okay? He did. He made us wait for a while. Then he did. He asked for the price and all of that. Then he later came say 14,000 naira. Like that, the amount to change the screen is 14,000. Like 14,000. Hey, Hama, what's this one talking about? Isn't that ridiculous? It's not just to change. Okay, don't kukuma change screen. Let's just fix the phone. Leave the screen the way it is, and then get out of this place. And the guy was like, no, it does not work that way because it has broken. And the screen has, this thing is not broken. It's just small and scratch that the thing have. So which one is it has broken? Which story I give me? He said, we have to pay, like that's their policy. Okay, no wala. Then we paid with POS that day. Then we paid. He said we'll have to come back, I think 2 or 3 days after. Okay, no problem. We left there, and then so the vlog yesterday was when I was showing you guys that we had to go to slot to go and pick up my mom's phone. That was like after 4 or 5 days. We didn't go the day they asked us to come, so we have to postpone it again. Then when we got there, the guy said okay, they showed us the phone, blah 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 blah. No, let me not jump, that this is the juice of the story. Like, this is where that guy almost annoyed me, to be honest. And then the guy called. I think that was the second day after the after we went there to drop the phone. Then the guy now called me. He was like, is this so and so, because we had to register and with a number. We left the number with them, name and all of that. I said, yes, this is Ameenah. We left my number on my phone there. Say, okay, I'll need you to check your receipt again, your bank statement or something like that. That yesterday was supposed to press 14,000 naira on the POS, then he pressed 14 naira mistakenly. I'm like, hey, what's this guy talking about? I'm sure it's not me you're talking to. He said, I'm like, seriously? They even got an alert, like right there and then, immediately. Save you're telling me no. Hey, okay, so what should I do now? He said, then you have to check the Kinikon and check the bank, the debit alert and some, and you have to screenshot. I'm like, he's not checking it. That is a problem to me. It is not even checking it at all. It's not a problem, no voila. But the guy was not talking politely. For God's sake, I'm a customer. And you just called me. You don't even know what I'm doing. You don't even know if I'm busy. You don't know if I'm not busy or something. You just call. I have to pick up my phone. The screenshot can you send to you? Okay, just to make peace. My sister was like, don't worry, just send it to him and let it go. Okay, then we did. I screenshotted the debit alert. I have to go to my mobile banking set and check for the transaction receipt or something like that, and I screenshot it and I sent it to him. The guy said okay, like he replied with okay. You did not even acknowledge it that yes, I've seen it, yes, I've confirmed it, yes, I've done this. You just said okay. Oh god. To be honest, I really don't think that's a very good customer service left to me. I really don't think so, because people speak highly of Sloth a lot. Maybe, and I can't just say maybe the mood it was that day. It cannot be the mood, because the day we went, you were not in any bad mood. It's not like we had any argument or something like that. We didn't. We were just there, we went there to mind our business and we left. And now you're just there telling me. But I don't know if any other person have had experience with these people like this, but this is my first time in any business in Sloth safe. Even when I'm to buy phone, I hardly go to Sloth to buy phones, but because my mom wanted us to just buy it at a safer place, to her that is safe, since you can go back there to return it if something is wrong with the phone. So that's why we had to go to Sloth. So that's it. It wasn't a good experience for me, to be honest. It is not at all. So guys, I think I'll be ending this vlog here. I said I want to make this a mini vlog, like very short vlog, but I think it's getting very long with my story already. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching till the end. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please I beg, what should I do to beg you people? Just click on the subscribe button, and let's move along, please. So guys, I'll be seeing you all in my next video.